everybody. We are going to talk about my favorite itinerary on a boat charter for the day in the U.S. Virgin Islands. So more specifically, St. John or St. Thomas. So you found blue sky. We have booked you on a beautiful boat. Now, whether you have 2 people or whether you have 50 plus people and it's a large wedding party that you're down with, we have you covered. We have boats that are, let's say, more like 24 feet. All of them come with a captain, but that's going to be more about maybe $1,000 for the day all in. But then we have super luxe. So whether you're looking for maybe 115 feet, with a full crew to take care of your every need, that's about $15,000 for the day. So that's really the swing. So it's just whatever you're looking for luxury wise, we have you covered. All right. So you board maybe 8:30, 9, 10 o'clock. I mean, look, it's your boat for the day. I love that. So you can just pick what time you'd like to meet your captain. And then from there, you plan, once you get on board that morning, you plan your itinerary. You can't plan 6 months out. You really need to plan the morning of. The seas could be rough. It could be high winds. You could be dodging storms in the area. So it's just best to plan it the morning of. So this is just a suggested one. Again, it's our favorite. So what you could do is head over to Salt Pond first. And the reason why I suggest that is because usually a lot of the boat charters do that last. So if you go there first, beat the crowds. Salt Pond is very beautiful. It's a calm beach, a calm bay. You're going to see probably quite a few turtles, maybe even some octopus. There are 2 rock sets of rocks as you're coming into Salt Pond. Excellent snorkeling, but it's more for the advanced swimmer and snorkeler. So if that's not for you, then head to the beach, maybe grab a beach chair or a raft to grab a beer and just chill because it is beautiful. You also have Ram's Head Hike, which is there. Of course, most people don't really do the hike when they're on a boat charter. So come back and do Ram's Head Hike. And then maybe when you're done, you can pop in and swim at Salt Pond. But I just love that whole area over there. It's one of my favorite locations in all of St. John. All right, so now you're hungry. I like 2 places on the water. I love, it's called Lovango Beach Resort and also ZoZo's at Caneel Bay. The food is excellent. They're the 2 nicest places on the water. They have great staff. There are adorable local shops. I actually got this necklace here and these earrings at the ZoZo's merch shop. It's support locals, very, very talented people. So stop in there and see if there's anything that you'd like to get. And then you can head through this beautiful body of water. It's Congo, Lovango, Mingo. Something happens to the water in there, and it's just this different shade of blue. It's just gorgeous. And when you come out the other end, you have Carvel Rock, which is basically a rock formation that looks like Jenga. It's really cool. From there, you can go onto the North Shore of St. John. So you have Honeymoon Beach, which has, kayak, snorkel, beach chair rentals, the whole 9 yards. There's food and drinks there. You have Hawksnest, which you come to. Then you have Trunk. There is Peter Bay. Stop in and see all the beautiful homes. You have Cinnamon after that, which is a local favorite. Maho and Francis are next, where there are more turtles and lots of stingray. And so that's fun to grab a paddle or a kayak from reef to peak and just hop in there for a couple hours and paddleboard or kayak between Maho and Francis. After that, you have Leicester, which there's 2 great snorkel locations at Leicester. You have around the quay, and then there's also closer to the shore. I think it's called three buoys. Your captain will know. And then at that point, you just have to see where you are on time. Do you want to then head back on the North Shore because you need to go ahead and get back? Or do you want to go, you have more time so you can do a circumnavigation tour around St. John. So then you pretty much completed and seen the island by the water, which is really cool. So that is my top itinerary for a day boat charter in the U.S. Virgin Islands. If we can assist, please let us know. Bye.